Hello, my name is Gabriel Paradise from Season Energy. Last week I do a video about our ancestor that were harvesting hives for summer. And I want to do a little recap about how they do this and why. And because summer is very hot, sometimes they need cool house and ice cream for children and stuff like this. And I want to talk about they had no electricity. All they have is season. So they had the idea to borrow from winter to be used in summer. So this is a very interesting idea. And even today, we still do, but more like activity and festival. But today I want to talk about storage. Why? Because they have two different ways to do storage for the ice, block of ice. And they were using like little barn that the people stack each block together so they keep the ice as long as possible. And the second way was to dig a well in the ground. And you see that on the drawing, like a little brick or rocks to keep it together. And then they were storing ice also in the ground for the summer. So even with no insulation, they still have ice all summer. So this is interesting because when you talk about saving energy, our ancestor did not have energy, but they were able to keep longer the energy which was given by the season to our ancestor, and they were able to manage this. Today we have AC, electricity, and you want ice. You just open the refrigerator and you get ice. So today, as the average house for AC, we have 20,000 BTU consuming almost 6 kilowatt. To the price to Quebec, 6 kilowatt is 42 cents. So if the unit work 8 hours during 24 hours, that your 42 cents become $3.50, close to it, almost $4 per hour. And if you look at the price on Quebec electricity, is the lowest in Canada. And even you go to the neighbor, which is Ontario, l'île Prince-Édouard, it's double. So I think they also have a possibility to use energy from winter. And this is what I created. I created a system to use season energy to be used in summer, and I use summer to be used in winter. But this, I will explain this a little bit later. But as today, we have AC that costs this much per day. But mine, because I use only less than 100 watt, it costs this a dime per day. So I wrote a book which explains step by step how to do, and soon will be available on internet to be bought. And I wish you will like my next video, and I hope see you next week.